Can you lose weight eating oatmeal for breakfast? Thank you for visiting Healthy Food Plan channel. Today we will talk about oats and including them in breakfast. Studies have shown that oats and oatmeal can help people lose weight, lower blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. In fact, supporters of the oatmeal diet plan claim that the popular diet can help people lose up to 4 pounds (1.8 kilograms) in just 1 week. Oatmeal is a healthy and delicious breakfast option, especially if you're looking to lose weight. Oats are low in calories but high in fiber and protein, two nutrients that impact appetite and weight control. Which oats best for weight loss? Oatmeal can help with weight loss because it contains soluble fiber, which can keep you feeling full. Steel cut or rolled oats are the most nutritious and filling form of oatmeal to add to your diet. Avoid processed or instant oatmeal and don't add too much sugar to your oats for the most health benefits. How to cook oatmeal for weight loss. Cook the healthy oatmeal in a naturally sweet, low-calorie vegan milk like almond milk. Top the healthy oats with metabolism-boosting fruits, like berries, or apples. Add zero-calorie spices like cinnamon to add flavor, without calories. We hope this gave you plenty of understanding about oats. Disclaimer. Please consult your doctor in case you have any medical conditions before starting on with information in this video. Watch more information videos by subscribing to Healthy Food Plan.